news about Jesus as scanned to Luke chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 10. The head soldier believe in a Jesus. After Jesus done say all of this to the people there, him go Capernaum. One head for 100 soldier in a Capernaum did have one servant where did sick and both for dead. The head soldier didn't rate that servant enough. So as he hear about Jesus, he sent some Jew leader to ask him to come get him servant better. The leader them go to Jesus and beg him say, do help the man ya. If nobody forget to help, him. Cause him love with people and him build one church for we. So Jesus go with them. When Jesus catch near the house, the head soldier sent some of my friend them to tell him say, Lord, no bother yourself. Me not good enough for you come under me roof. And that make me never think me could have come talk to you. But just say the word and make me servant get better. Cause me take order from them way over me too. And me have soldier wey me control. Me tell that one ya, go there so, and him go. And one next one, come here, and him come. And me tell me servant, do this, and him do it. Jesus, yeah, he woke him up when he hear this sitting them where the head soldier say. Him turn to the crowd where did a follow him and say, make me tell you no sitting. And no, me not find nobody in Israel where trust in me so much. The head soldier friend them go back at the house and find say the servant they get better. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.